Next problem under this bills of exchange is series problem. Gauri owned 50,000 to Shankar. Gauri owned 50,000 to Shankar. So Gauri accepted a bill drawn by Shankar for 3 months. Okay, Gauri accepted a bill drawn by Shankar for 3 months. Shankar got the bill discounted with his bank for rupees 45,000. Before the due date, Gauri approached Shankar for renewal of the bill. Shankar agreed on the condition that rupees 25,000 be paid immediately. Rupees 25,000 be paid immediately and accept a new bill for the remaining amount. Together rupees 12% at 3 months. So these arrangements was carried out. But afterwards Gauri became insolvent. Okay, he did not pay the money. Okay, Gauri became insolvent and 50% of the amount could be recovered from her estate. Pass journal entries and prepare necessary ledger accounts in Gauri and Shankar. So first is bills receivable. First entry is bill drawn. Okay, second entry is bill discounted with his bank. Next is Gauri approaches renewal of bill. So whenever renewal of bill, first we cancel the first bill and draw the and extend it for the further period. Okay, and Shankar agreed to condition 25,000 be paid immediately for the acceptance of new bill for this entry. Next, for that this interest is for one entry. Next is for insolvent and 50% amount could be recovered from her estate. This is one entry. Now we'll write the journal entries in the books of both Shankar and Gauri. Now write journal entries. Journal entries in the books of Shankar. Proforma of journal is date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, first entry is bill is drawn for 3 months now. For that entry is in the Shankar books, bills receivable account data to Gauri account. Bills receivable account data to Gauri account. How much is the amount? Is rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. Narration is being bill for 3 months drawn. Being how many months drawn? That bill is for 3 months. Next is Shankar got the bill discounted with his bank for rupees 45,000. So in the books of Shankar it is an bills receivable. In the books of Gauri it is an bills payable. So write that at a time in the books of Gauri also. Date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, so in that in his book it is an bills payable. For this entry is Shankar account debtor, Shankar account debtor to bills payable account. Shankar account debtor to bills payable account rupees 50,000 and rupees 50,000. For this narration is what? Being bill for being bill for 3 months accepted. Being bill for 3 months accepted. Next entry is Shankar got the bill discounted with his bank for rupees 45,000. Okay, when the bill is discounted with the bank, what is the entry? Bank account data. Okay, bank account data, discount account data, bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account. So in the bank, how much it will give the amount, how much for amount he got discounted with the bill is rupees 45,000. How much is the discount is 5,000. Okay, bank account data is 45,000, discount account data is 5,000, and to bills receivable account is 50,000. Narration is being bill discounted with the bank. Being bill discounted. Being bill discounted with the bank. In the books of Gauri, no entry. Why? Because he is not discounted with the bank. No, only Shankar bill is discounted with the bank. So in his books entry. So in his books is no entry. Next is, before the due date, Gauri approached Shankar for renewal of the bill. So renewal of the bill means first he cancelled the original bill. Okay, then fresh bill will be drawn. For that cancellation of the bill is entry is in the books of Shankar is Gauri account data. Gauri account data to bank account. Gauri account data to bank account is rupees 50,000 and rupees 50,000. Narration is being bill cancelled for non-payment of the bill on the due date. And due date. So in the books of Gauri's entry is bills payable account data to Shankar account. Bills payable account data to Shankar account. Rupees 50,000. Narration is being safe. Bill cancelled for being bill cancelled for non-payment of the bill, non-payment of the bill on due date. Next is Shankar agreed on the condition that rupees 55,000 be paid immediately and accept a new bill for the remaining amount. Okay, accept the new bill for the remaining amount at the rate 12% per annum at 3 months. Okay, how much period is extended? Again 3 months at a rate of 12% interest. So for that entry is cash account debtor, so Gauri is paid rupees 25,000. So he is a person is receiving the cash. So debit what comes in. So cash is an a real account. So it will come under the debit side is cash account debtor, bills receivable account debtor, cash account debtor, bills receivable account debtor, cash account debtor is rupees 25,000. For the remaining amount is rupees 25,000. Total is 50,000. To Gauri account, so here bills receivable. Okay, don't write the amount here. To Gauri account, how much is the total amount actually? Rupees 50,000. Now here interest is also there. How much is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 12%. Okay, to interest account, to interest account. So this interest amount will be calculated on the remaining amount. So he paid in the form of cash is rupees 25,000. Then how much is the remaining amount is rupees 25,000. So on the 25,000 we will calculate the interest. That is 25,000 into rate of interest is 12%, that is 12 by 100. For how many months? Only 3 months. So 3 months divided by total 12 months. 25 3 is the 75 0. Okay, 750. Total is bills receivable amount is 25,750. Okay, for this write down narration is being payment of rupees 25,000 being payment of rupees 25,000, new bill for the balance amount, new bill for the balance amount, together interest is and 3 months. In the books of Gauri is Shankar account debtor, he is receiving how much is total is 50,000. Next is interest account debtor, interest account debtor, how much is our interest amount is 750. To cash account, to cash account debtor is how much paid in the cash is rupees 25,000, and remaining amount is bills payable, that this bill is payable in the future, so that is bills payable account. To bills payable account is 25,750. Write down narration is being payment and acceptance of new bill, being payment and acceptance of new bill for the balance together with 12% interest. Next is for that amount is dishonor on insolvency. Okay, after 3 months completed, he did not pay the remaining amount, so that bill comes under the dishonor. So after dishonor, he will become an insolvent. So for this entry is in the books of Shankar is Gauri account debtor, Gauri account debtor is 25,750. To bills receivable account, Gauri account debtor is 25,750, and to bills receivable account is 25,750. Narration is being the bill is dishonor, being bill dishonor on insolvency. In the books of Gauri, it is an payable, so that is bills payable account debtor, debtor is 25,750 to Shankar account. Okay, bills payable account data is 25,750 and to Shankar account. To Shankar account is rupees 25,750. Narration is being dishonor of the bill. Next is, so these arrangements were carried out, but afterwards Gauri became insolvent and 50% of the amount could be recovered from her estate. So 50% of the amount is how much? Under 25,750 is 12,875. For that entry is in the books of Shankar, entry is bank account data. Bank account data is amount is half of the amount, 50% of the amount, that is 12,875. Okay, bank account data is 12,875 and insolvency, so bad debts na loss he is not recovered from the amount from the Gauri. So in the books of it is an bad debts. So bad debts account data, bank account data is 12,875, bad debts account data is 12,875 to Gauri account. To Gauri account is rupees 25,750. Narration is being payment of final dividend. Being payment of final dividend. In the books of Gauri, Shankar account data, Shankar account data is 25,750. Shankar account data is 25,750 and to cash account, is 12,875. To cash account is 12,875 and to deficiency account, is 12,875. Being final settlement of the bill. will prepare ledger accounts, that is bills receivable account, bills payable account, Gauri account and Shankar account. Ledger accounts, bills receivable account. Okay, write down shortly. Next is bills payable account, okay. So on the debit side is bills receivable account debit now. First bills receivable account data to Gauri account. To bills receivable account is debit. So on the debit side of bills receivable account is to Gauri is 50,000. Next is bank account data to bills receivable account data is bills receivable account is credit. So on credit side is by bank 45,000. Next is bills receivable account data to Gauri account is 25,750. To Gauri is 25,750. Next is Gauri account data to bills receivable account. So bills receivable account is credit. So on credit side is by Gauri is 25,750. That's all, no? And discount account data to bills receivable account. So by discount is how much? 500. Sorry, 5,000. Do the total is 75,750. Same as prepare bills payable account. Okay, after if any time is there, I will explain that one also. Okay, relating to the bills payable is in the journal entries, is it came on debit, so you write on the debit. Suppose the bills payable account is come to the on the credit, you have to write on the credit side. Both amount should be same, 75,750, 75,750. Next is Shankar account. That Shankar's books bills. So balance brought down, how much amount is 50,000. To balance brought down is 50,000. Okay, in the books of Shankar, Gauri account. Okay, in the books of Shankar, Gauri account. Okay, next is Gauri account data to bank account. So Gauri account is debit. So on the debit side is to bank account is 50,000. Next is bills receivable account data to Gauri account. Okay, by Gauri account is credit, on the credit side is by bills receivable is 50,000. Next is in the form of cash, how much is paid? 25,000. By cash is 25,000. Then by bills receivable is next is by bank is how much? 12,875. By bad debts is 12,875. Next on the debit side is 2 bills receivable is 25,750. Now do the total. Is bills receivable is 25,000. So two sides total is 1,25,750. 1,25,750. Prepare same as in the books of Gauri. Will prepare Shankar account. Okay. This is our class today.